this is the new design software. It's developed only for design department. Okay, first I am opening this icon. Here username and password will be there. That username based on your system username, and password you can set as per your wish. Okay, if you forgot the password, you can click the forgot password and set your password again, no issue. Okay, so I am entering my password. So this is the front screen of this project management, design and development. Here this software is especially designed for our own applications. Advantage of this software will be not required every year license, and not required any server or server investment. Capex is not required. That is the main advantage. One more advantage is that we can use n number of users. If you are taking for market softwares, every year we need to renewal is required, and limitations will be there to users. But here no limitation of users and no limitation of every renewal and all. Okay, first this is the front view of our software. I will open the resource management. This is the resource management. In that resource management, actually 4 icons will be there. One is for resource, leave management, skill matrix and KPI. Here first is resource. Here we can add resources and we can edit the resources. Okay, this resources already it is added. Okay, this add resources permission is only for HR, and edit resources permission also it will be there in HR. So now I can't possible to add the resources and edit the resources. Okay, so now just I will show you the edit. Here Venkat Rao will be there. He is a design engineer, design assistant manager. What is his qualification? What is the date of joining? What is previous experience, overall experience? What is the username? This username based on their system name. Based on this one only it will open to their systems. Okay, then he is reporting to whom, and it is in design department will be active status, otherwise it is now inactive status. This save permissions only there with HRs. Okay, so this some users is already added. This is Shiva. My designations will be design managers. I am reporting to RKP. Okay, my total overall experience will be 22 years. Okay, so next is the leave management. Here 2 icons will be there. One is for apply leave, another one is for approve leave. Apply leave I can put, actually I can select from date to date. So number of days automatically it will count. Reasons I need to type. Okay, so that reporting boss based on the resources automatically it will select to whom, so I can apply the leave. So if once I applied the leaves, okay, once I applied the leaves, that approve permissions it will highlight to Mr. RKP. He can only possible to approve the leave or reject the leave. Once approved the leave, I can get the icon of approved. Otherwise it will be in between. I want to cancel immediately, I can do the cancels. Okay, this many leaves still RKP need to approve. Okay, this is the leave managements what we are discussing about the leave managements. Next is called skill matrix. That skill matrix based on hierarchy only it is possible to see the see and edit the skill scripts. Okay, so now Mani and Praveen only is working under me based on this resources. Mani and Praveen only reporting to me, so I can edit or I can view only their skill sets. Only their skill sets. Experience will be 2 years. This all are it is taking from the previous input, HR inputs. Okay, here 3D modeling will be there. He is a moderate skills. Suppose based on his experience, if I want to edit it, I can put strong skills. Here icon will be there, pop-up will be there. Strong skills mean what is meaning of strong skills? Expert in the domain, independently able to handle complex tasks in the area through understanding, and all notifications which will come based on that. Concern managers mean reporting bosses, they can select their modify their skill set. If it is there in training required, those once in a year we need to print it and we will give to HR. Even this it is possible to see the HR also, but manager responsibility will be there to once in a year he need to print it and give to HR for their improving of their skill sets. Here master will be there. Actually master is disabled to me. It is only enable, it is possible for only HR. Masters if any new skills in our internal design, something we need to add, we can add through masters or we can delete existing also. Okay, so I am not save this skill set. Okay, this is skill sets, skill matrix. So this is only is there in resource management. Okay, this resource management based on the permissions only it will work. Okay, next we will go to standards. Standards mean this is the screen it will open. This all standards are loaded on the server. This is visible to everyone. Here add new standards and edit standards. Only permission is there for only managers and quality managers. Design managers and quality managers, they can add the new standards and they can edit the existing standards. Now just I am showing how to add the new standards. Add the new standards, we need to type the descriptions and the standard years and the status and need to select the path. Then you can put the save. Okay, so just to test standard number, test status active, file path, simply I can select own files from my downloads, scaffold manuals. Okay, if I saved, okay, so here it is added, view test is added. So this add new standard permission is there for only quality managers and design managers, and this edit permission is there for both people. Why it is required that edit permission is for suppose this standard is inactive, so they need to change. Suppose versions they are updated, we need to put as a inactive. If you are putting inactive also 2 years we can use the standards. Once in years we need to report to purchase department to purchase the new standards. That's why only we are given is the active and inactive. This there. Okay, so now this view permission is there for everyone in our factory. Here search will be there. Suppose I want to search scaffold related standards, automatically mobile access and working towers will be there. Suppose I want to search to stool, so step stool standard will be there. I need to search 131, all 13 standards it will be visible here. Anyone they can select view, automatically that standard it will open from their monitors. Okay, this is only they can't possible to edit anything, they can't possible to delete anything, they can view only standards. Okay, this is about the standards. Now I am going to that next part is called ECR and ECO, engineering change request and engineering change order. Okay, so this is the engineering change order. Create ECR is applicable to everyone in our factory. Okay, they can sit on their systems and they can create the ECRs. Okay, just now I am creating the test ECRs. Drawing number I put test, current revision number will be test, drawing title will be TIT title, and this change request number automatically it will take +1 +1 +1, and change request date also automatically it will take based on the creation date. Okay, here customs request, then current specifications, anything they can type the current specification. Okay, record specification will be 10 mm plus. They can type as per their own. Okay, reason for changes they need to type what is the reasons. If you want to add further you can add who is raised by name and approved by name, per approved person's name. Once he has submitted this, automatically this it will appear here. Okay, new ECRs it will appear here. So ECR date will be this, ECR number will be this, and the drawing number will be this, and drawing title will be this, and the detail of changes, everything it will get detail of change, it will be there after ECO only. Okay, now status is showing as the waiting. Okay, now you see status is showing as the waiting. Okay, create ECR applicable to everyone, but edit ECRs is applicable only for design managers. No, right now I given permissions only for design managers, that's why it is possible to edit myself. So I am going to edit and I study those items and I am going to reject reasons not possible. Possible to procure or possible to MFG. So if I given like that, automatically reasons it will appear possible to manufacturing and it is ECRs will be rejected. So now ECR number will be there 0102. In this month this is a 02, this is the second month 1, third month 1, third month new ECRs created 02. But the ECO number right now it is there in 1 2 only. Now if you want to, suppose I approved this ECRs, approved reasons are not required, automatically ECR number it will change, ECR number it will get update, detail of change, impact of change, anything I can type, and here I can type in process finished what need to do. Okay, so here prepared by who is prepared, who is approved. Okay, once approved date is there, automatically new revision number what is that. Okay, so now if you are seeing this is the ECO details, this is the engineering change order details. So this, it is not possible to edit any other people, but anyone can view this ECO, ECR and ECO. Edit is only for managers. Okay, one more things I requested to developer to give the notifications here. To give the notifications, any ECRs are received, mean anybody are created ECRs, one notification it will come to managers. Any once ECR approved, ECR number is generated, this number is generated, automatically notifications goes to everyone, mean small pop-up it will go to everyone. This is only ECRs. Right now that KPI is not working, they are working on that. Okay, so this all area print also they are working on that. These three items still it is pending from software developers. Okay, now I am going to project status, create project and update projects. Okay, project status. Here this is not possible to edit any one of the people. Okay, only view. Okay, what is the project number, what is the customer name, what is the project details, who has created this project, what is the task priority, what is the received date, what is the response date, and model, what is the model status, costing status, simulation, verification, drawing, means stage by stage of design process, all it will be there here. And what is the total status, and how many days we are responded. If suppose it is there in a high, if it is crossed more than 7 days, then automatically this it will appear as the red. If it is green, mean task priority will be there green. If it is crossed more than 15 days of response date, automatically it will appear here. Okay, low 30 days it will appear as the red. Okay, drawing release it is reflected as the green colors. Customer approved is waiting for his yellow color, yet to start will be blue colors, rejected will be dark red, in progress will be light red. Okay, so this is only view. Anyone of our company, they can, who is having permission to see this, they can see the status of this. Here totally how many hours we are spent it, those information also it is available here. Okay, this is only status, viewing of the status. Okay, next this is the create projects. Create projects, if you are seeing here 2020 is the last projects. Once we are started to create project, it will start by 2021. Before that I will open my locations. Here 2020 is the last project. No files are there in this folder. Once customer name I am typing test, and project type I am typing test. Okay, task priority I am assigning. Then received date, when I received these files. This project path already I defined, so automatically this files save to the particular area. Here model, I am planning to give model to whom. For example, I am giving to Praveen. Casting I am making to me. Model hours I am allotting for 10 hours. Casting I am allotting for 1 hour. For example, here who is created, myself I created. Here we need to save these files. If you are going to these locations, automatically 2021 test has saved. Here if you are seeing design output will be there, as ISO document will be there. Inside ISO document all files are created, design validations, what are the files are required, design calculations, validations, so many files are there. This automatically, once if you are save, automatically it will get create. Then we need to put input 1, input 2. Okay, so now I am giving the add received files. So this add here 2021 test ISO document received folder, it will open whichever files I want to load. Whichever files I want to load, I can paste here and I can close this. Okay, now I saved this. Okay, now create projects are completed. If you are seeing here 2021 test Shiva created by and low, this is received date is so and so date, and model yet to start, casting yet to start. Initially if names assigned, it will come as the yet to start, like that. Here status also it will come as the yet to starts. Okay, this hours 2 hours why we are added, all input need to add inside the folder, that's why it is added. The 2 hours is the initial time for keeping all input to these folders. Okay, so now if you are going to update projects, here update projects, if you are seeing 2021 test is created a low input, just he is clicking this input files, input 1, input 2, whichever create project like a manager has added this input, it will visible to model who is doing the model jobs, and all people also can possible to see this input jobs, input details. And if you are clicking here, you see here whichever folders we are loaded on the ISO document received 2021 test ISO document received, the particular files are visible to everyone, they can access the files. Here assigned to Mr. Praveen only, so I don't have any access to change his status. Here I allotted for 10 hours, but I can't possible to change his status. Through Praveen login, he can only possible to change the status. Okay, next here this is the resource name is mine. Okay, so here I can change, it is hold, completed, in progress and everything I can change. Suppose in progress I kept, so I started my jobs, in between I want to stop the jobs, I can put hold. Okay, one more thing is I completed the jobs, so I completed. Okay, so here that hours completed, how it will work now, once if you are started in progress, clock it will start and it will start to counting, it will be counting, it will start, then hold, it will stop, pause, hold mean it is pause, again I start in progress, again it will start. Once completed, total hours it will appear here. You see here how many minutes I taken, how many hours I taken, everything, this hours, all, not only me, all hours completed, it will be the clocks based on start, stop, it will work this. Okay, if it is not applicable will be there. One more advantage in this one is for, actually this project is created by 210017 is created by Mr. Verma. I will show you those details. 2100 is created by Mr. Verma, so I can't possible to update his projects. I can't I don't have any permission to change anything. I don't have even progress also, I can't possible to change. Response date also I can't possible to change, edit also not possible. Whichever project created by myself, I can do. Model and assign people only possible to access these columns. So here I can edit or something I can do it, but I can't possible to edit other managers projects in this area. Okay, this is a, suppose I want to open this project, I can directly open from here. I will open mobile platforms. I can open all files from here. From through this I can open any projects files, anyone of who is doing model costing simulation verifications. It is possible. Any other jobs we are doing other than this projects, we have our own SAPL. I spend it for 30 minutes, mean half an hour. So half an hour I spend it for to create this video. Okay, 1 hour I created for this video. Once I saved, again I can't possible to edit. SAPL preparing video for project management, hours worked is 1 hour. Again I can't possible to change this. This is the other jobs what we are doing here. Here search will be there based on the persons or based on the project, based on the customer name. Anything if you want to 21001, so we can search for this. Okay, this is the search options are there. Next, this is the next page. Actually in this area not possible to accommodate all things, so we are created the next page. Model costing simulation design verification completed. Here drawing verification and drawing validations are there in second phase. Here also everything will be same. Drawings is allotted people only, it is possible to edit. This is the design validation. This design validation if I allotted to Devaraj can update this status. So I can't possible to update this status. Devaraj only can possible to update the status, and he can load the input output, he can verify and we can load it. So I will I will change it to this project. Design verifications I am giving to my name. I am allotting for 5 hours. If you are seeing here, update will be there. Shiva 5 hours yet to start, update will be there. Once I updated, here input detail will be there. What is the output details? Output I need to verify the drawings and I need to fill the data here. Whatever input data we can't possible to edit. Only output data only it is possible to edit. Status complied or not complied. Then I need to put, if any deviation is there, I take an approval from customer so and so mail. Okay, so I can save this. This is the output status. This is the input. What is the customer input and what is this output? Okay, so now again I giving permissions, design validation permission I am keeping to myself. Okay, if you are going to now this, it will get update. Otherwise if I am giving to Devaraj only possible to update it. Now I change it to my name, that's why it is created, update is there. Here what is the input detail, what is the output detail, what is the output remarks and what is the validation details. Validation details he need to check physically from the dimensions and he need to type what is that dimensions. So I am typing 1010. So there also they need to put the complied or not complied. Any deviation is there, due to this reasons deviations is there, he can load. Once this status has changed to complete, okay, the status has changed to complete, he also not possible to update anything. Who here yet to start will be there. Shiva status still it is editing. Once I change it to completed states, even further myself also not able to update the status. Okay, so this is the status, project status. Now it is there yet to start. If you are seeing here, test completed, castings is there, completed. Here yet to start is there. If work started, as a manager I need to put in progress. Okay, here if you are seeing, this is the in progress. Okay, once completed work, I need to put completed and I am typing for date, today